Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be making a mini pocket letter. So here you can see I've already trimmed down the pocket page and just cut off this little flat part here. And I already trimmed down the cards that I'm going to use. So these are from 12 by 12 papers from the Echo Park Merry and Bright collection. And then this was one of the cut aparts from the collection, and I just trimmed it down so that it would fit inside of the pocket page. So if you have some Project Life cards or cut apart cards that you're not sure what to do with, or they're just left over, cut them down and put them into pocket letters. So let's go ahead and get started on this little guy. So I'm going to take the cards out and kind of get to decorating. So I have these three here, and then I did pull some of the Merry and Bright collection stickers. So I have the 12 by 12 cardstock stickers, as well as one of the chipboard sticker sheets. And then I also grabbed a small phrase sticker sheet by Simple Stories. Of course, I can't live without washi, so I grabbed a few of these as well. So there's a red glitter, a gold swirly foil, and then kind of a white glitter. Yeah, and that's kind of what I'm working with. Maybe some gemmies, so let me grab those. Thinking maybe some red ones would be really nice and kind of keep things very simple. So let's go ahead and get started. So I kind of have an idea of what I want to do here, so hopefully this will be somewhat quick. So I'm going to use the white glittery washi tape on top of this tree paper. It does have foiling on it. It's super pretty. Love that. And then I was looking through my paper stash for some white glitter paper because I know that I used to have some, but I might be out. I don't know. Which makes me sad because I don't want to be out of my white glitter paper. So I'm just gonna make do with some white glitter washi tape. So I just laid down one piece of it normally. Here you can see that I just cut down another piece of it so that it has kind of a swoopy hill look to it. And I'm just going to layer these up together and try to get them as close as I can to each other so you can't really see the line there very much. So I think that's probably as good as I'm gonna get with that. And then I think that's really pretty. I like how you can kind of see the trees behind it. And then for this one, I think I want to use the snowman because I think that would be super cute. So that's why I made the little snowdrift and be right in the center right there. And then I wanted some things around him. So I do have some of these little snowflake stickers on this sheet. So maybe I will use some of those up. And then I am almost out of these little snowflake embellishments. These are my favorite ones for the Christmas and winter season. So Michael's had these on sale, so I went ahead and grabbed another sheet of them because I am almost out. So I'm going to use one of these as well. And I love how these little snowflakes go so perfectly with the washi tape. I think it's really pretty and really fun. Maybe a few little gemmies kind of right around there. So we got that guy. Now we have these two here. So for the little Santa, I think I just want to use a chipboard sticker, if this will fit. And I think it will. Just like right down here. I think that'd be kind of cute. I'll use some of this red glitter washi tape. Look like that. And then I'm going to use some of this Tombow Extreme adhesive because it sticks really nicely to glitter tape. I think that will fit in the pocket. Let me make sure because it does come right to the edge. If I need to make changes, I'd rather do it now. Okay, so yeah, so that fits in there pretty well. So again, let's add some little gemmy gems. Okay, I think that's cute. And then for this middle one, what do I want to do? I know that I do want some presents on the bottom, down here. And maybe this one, maybe the red one. Whoop. I feel like some washi tape down here at the bottom will kind of help tie it together, but I'm not sure which washi tape I want. Maybe the gold? This is ridiculous. Maybe I'll put some of the gold on the bottom. And then all three of the cards will have some washi tape along the bottom. And then I can kind of do what I want down here. Can look kind of like that. really love the idea of this up here. I think that would be super duper cute, but I don't like how it's just floating there. Like, I'm not a huge fan of that. So maybe we can do something else. Maybe like the wreath on there would be pretty, or maybe just one of these flowery things. Stocking. The big stocking would be cute. Why don't we do that? That would be kind of cute. Maybe I can use a little bit of this washi tape just to kind of have it something to hang from. I like that. I think that'll be cute. Okay. Do something like that. And I can use maybe one of these. Actually, maybe use a few of these. So I've got Frosty here. And then Santa. Is there a Santa sticker? Hey Santa. So cute. Okay. Actually, let's put this guy right here. That. Then we put Hey Santa up here. That's adorable. And then I want kind of a bigger phrase right here. So I could do, I already have a Merry Christmas. How about Santa Claus is coming to town? I think that'd be cute. So why don't we do that? Okay, and then I was thinking maybe I could do like the little wreath guy. That might be kind of adorable if it's not too much. There we go. All right, I think that's pretty cute and pretty fun. Actually, I lost a gummy, so I'm gonna go and replace that. Move this one around a little bit. Something like that. All right, so let's put these in the sleeve. See how we're looking. Oops, I need to trim this off. This one doesn't have any jummies. All right, so I got some jummies on there. Trim down the little wreath. Looks super cute. And we did a little Santa card. Okay, so he'll fit right there. I think that is adorable. So let's go ahead and put some goodies in here. So first I have this little roll of washi tape. So this has red foil peppermint guys on there. So I thought that would be fun to include. I also pulled some puffy stickers from my stash. So there's some little stockings, some little winter guys, and then some little snowmen because I think those are really fun. Guys can go right there. I'm also going to include some little red enamel dots because I think those are fun. So this will just slide right in there, as well as some red glittery candy canes because those are always amazing. And then I have one of these little Christmas tree clips that I think I would actually maybe like to add here on the outside somewhere. I think right there might be kind of cute. And then this will fold up like that. And I've also got some fun trim. It kind of reminds me of this washi tape, so I'm going to use this to tie up my little mini pocket letter. But that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you got some ideas for your own mini pocket letters. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!